Hi there guys, Sylwia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my secret traffic hack review. Alright guys, so I am on the sales page of secret traffic hack. Now, I have purchased this product myself, so we will be going to my Warrior Plus account. I'll open the product, show you what it's like, what it looks like. Then we'll go through everything. I'll show you the upsells, the prices, and also for those who decide to pick it up via the link below my review, I also have some epic bonuses. So a bunch of them. We'll go through everything. For now, I just want to say that, this product was launched about a week ago, okay, on Warrior Plus. Now, this is important to take a note of because I normally say that Warrior Plus, is notorious for releasing shiny objects, BS products, and that is 99, maybe 98% the case. However, once in a while, once in a blue moon, there will be some diamonds, okay, amongst all of the garbage. And I trust, not only do I trust, I actually think this is one of those. Now, it did intrigue me, this product. I did not get the review access, even though I reached out to the vendor. But because, he doesn't know me much and all of that, he just approved my link, but he didn't really give me the review access. I was like, okay, fair enough, I'll just buy the product myself and see what it's like. So I have, okay, and I've just finished going through all of the videos. So I will show you what it's all about. Basically, it will allow you to send unlimited number of push button notifications into the Google Calendar and use this, one of the Google's tools. Okay, I cannot reveal too much because then it would not be a secret hack anymore, but it is a hack. It is kind of like, I hate the word loophole. I normally take the Mickey out of that secret loophole, but it is you would be using one of Google's tools, which is free. Everybody has access to them, but very few people actually know how to, use the free tools we have that Google provides. Therefore, they will be of the best quality. So the company they are talking about, they are using here to send those emails straight from that tool, is actually Google. So it's one of the Google's tools, and the thing will be, you will be using one of the Google's tools to send unlimited number of emails, okay, for free, without having to use AUTORESPONDER. And you will be actually hitting inboxing like crazy. So the deliverability from using this tool to send email is 100% guaranteed and the best. That is the crazy thing about it, okay? And they will also talk about in the last video, okay, on how you can actually access the database, because it applies to any sort of niche, okay? So depending on what you want to promote, what you want to be emailing, your potential clients, your clients or potential clients or buyers about, okay, with regards to, you would be able to do it in any niche you can possibly think of, okay? Now, we will go through the sales page, and this product, by the way, has been put together by, these two gentlemen, James Renouf and Jeremy Kennedy. I like both of them, actually. And I have just recently noticed, actually, this guy, James, okay, and I so far only reviewed one of his products, and I actually like it a lot. It inspired me to create a product on my own, just using a spreadsheet, and the product is actually called Spreadsheets Spreadsheet Millions. I'll actually attach the link to my review to Spreadsheet Millions as well by the same vendor. You may find it interesting too. Okay, now let me show you more information about the vendor. Okay, so this is the guy, James Renouf. I think that's how you pronounce his surname. And I want to show you his score. So you see the secret traffic hack already sold in over 1,000 sales. And it was only launched a few days ago, I believe almost a week ago. Okay, and James has in general the score over, well, 3.5 out of 5, so that's decent. It says I like it. And the thing about this vendor is that he always comes out, he's a very, very experienced guy, okay? Like with years of experience in internet marketing. So he always comes up with very, very original ideas for his product. Something he actually uses, he does himself, and then he puts it into a product. So I was saying this product I reviewed Spreadsheet Millions, and it was quite interesting too. So I am reviewing this one here, his latest launch, Secret Traffic Hack. So here we'll go also, if I can go back, no, I can't really. Okay, so I'll show you guys also the upsells, which are not upsells as such. As you can see, the front end is $11.99, okay, for the front end, and then you will have a bunch of upsells actually. But the thing about it is, like, it's not that they will take away something from the front end and they will give it back to you if you purchase this on that or that upsell. No, these upsells are actually like in the products on their own, to be honest. So once you buy the front end, they will present you with the upsells. So go through them and see if you find anything you'd be potentially interested in. Because as I said, there are products on their own. Actually, some of them are like memberships, and he gives you access to some of his high-ticket training courses as well. But the front end, you know, you will make it with the front end on its own. Trust me. Now let me show you. Let me go to my purchase history. And by the way, guys, if you decide to pick up this product, you will access it via your Warrior Plus account as well. Okay. And I just want to show you where you will find my bonuses. So all of my bonuses, my freebies. So actually, hold on a second. Okay. So this is my copy of Secret Traffic Hack. Okay. So again, in your Warrior Plus account, you will have to go to purchase history here. Okay, where was it? Okay. Anyhow, here, purchase history, and to access this product, go to access your purchase, and to access my bonuses, you'll have to click on this access affiliate bonuses, and you get instant access to my freebies, right? Alright, so let's access the product, and let me show you what it's like. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna be in PDF version. So voila. Okay, that's what it is. And they say here, okay, here if you click on this one, you can check out the upgrade funnel. And first they say, if you want to skip the specific upgrade, click the no thanks link, then click the no thanks link on each page. Okay, if you don't want the upgrades, just click no thanks, and then you will be ultimately taken to the front end. Now, they say this is a PDF, but it is embedded with videos. Okay, so this is a bunch of videos. To save on server costs, we have put our videos on YouTube as unlisted. You know, I love how they work with those free tools, and how, like, James, he always works in such a way, you know, this guy, that he simplifies the whole process. And I love, you know, the beauty of the simplicity in all of his products. Okay, they don't look all fancy, you know, like, you know, everything on ClickFunnels, you know, hosted and all of that. No, but they will be talking about methods which actually work and bring results. Okay, so they say that means that, you know, because they are unlisted on YouTube, like, the public will not have access to them. It's only It's only you that you will have access to them because you've purchased them. So that's what the product will look like. And here you will have, I believe, 6 videos. I just finished watching them. So the first one is going to be short. Then the second one is going to be about 20 minutes long. Okay, so Jeremy, because, yeah, not James, but Jeremy Kennedy made the videos. He made the training. And then it's going to be video number 3, about 15 minutes long. Video number 4, 5, 6. In this, this is like 5 minutes long. The rest is around 10, 15. The longest one is around 20 minutes long. Okay. And here, actually, he will, you see, this is Jeremy Kennedy. So he made the training, and, you know, the product is launched under James Renuth. Okay. On Warrior Plus. Yeah, and in the latest one, in the last video, he will talk about how you can actually go there and purchase for little money. There are platforms where he will send you, if you want to buy some like list to in specific niches as well, unless you have your own list. Okay, and then using this method, you can email them for free without the autoresponder, and in a very powerful way, hitting like going right into the inbox. And he actually shows it in the videos. That's what actually happens, because trust me, with most of the autoresponder, even the most reputable autoresponders, you know, you will be emailing, especially if you're not well established as a marketer, if you don't know what you're doing, okay, then you will be, your emails will most likely be ending up in the spam or promotions if you're lucky. That is very often the case, unfortunately. Yeah, it's more and more difficult to get into that primary inbox. Yeah. Anyhow, let's go through the sales page. So I have shown you the product, and yeah, it's good. It's good, you know. It's worth not only the price, but, you know, learning about this method. Very ridiculously simple method, but hey, so many people don't even know. Who knows? You know, like, we have so much available to us that is free, but we just don't know how to use it. Yeah, that's the thing. All right, so they say, here is some like one of the testimonials here. They say, notify thousands of new people every day in thousands of niches for free with no previous following. Email, calendar, invite, and push notifications on demand for free. So using that Google, one of the Google tools they are talking about here in this product, by using that tool, you will be able not only to email without the autoresponder, but also send calendar, invite, and push notifications on demand for free. So they will be like, oh, I got this notification. What is it all about? Let me check it out. It's cool, right? And without a website, social media, chat box, or autoresponder, it is all true. Okay, they do say as it is. Now, you will find a link to this sales page below my review, guys. So watch this video here where they're talking like James with Jeremy about this product. It's about 9 minutes long. It's a very cool video, so you'll learn more and about this product and about, you know, their perspective of how this product came about and all of that. Okay, if you want to buy, just click on this add to cart, and then you go to your Warrior Plus to access the product and my bonuses. Okay, because yes, I am promoting it. I think it's worth the money, and, you know, you will learn something very something that, you know, will have the real potential to make you money if you use it the right way and you come with the, you know, good strategy. Okay, so I'll not read through all of that, but, you know, these are the notifications your clients, potential buyers will be like receiving onto the, you know, Google Calendar. And it's powerful stuff. Simple but powerful. But they'll be like, well, what's this? Let me check it out. And it's like, you know, you can use it for events, webinars, for promotions, for, you know, giving products away, this and that. So, you know, there's no limit to what you can do with it. I know I have an idea. I'll actually use, I'll create a spreadsheet about products in like a natural healing niche, right? And which I will be selling for $2. I'll create it soon and I'll try and use this method myself and see what I can, you know, achieve with it. Because this method certainly works. It certainly, you know, sends those emails right into the inbox. I've seen it in the, you know, tutorials. And yeah, all good. Okay, so yeah, the vendors here. Again, I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review, guys. Again, if you buy it from me as a thank you, get a bunch of, you know, cool training courses on email marketing, but powerful stuff as well. Free traffic generation on email marketing, so it's going to help you with email marketing. And if you click here, there will be more bonuses, guys. So there you go, and you just click on this and you see email marketing secrets. So it's all very like relevant to the product as well. On ClickBank, even affiliate marketing, so you can use your affiliate offers to promote using the secret traffic hack they are talking about in this product. So good stuff. All right, I guess love you and leave you, guys. Now, I think, you know, you will like this product. It's not a BS product. It talks about a simple yet powerful method. Again, you will be able to use unlimited number of emails and those push notifications and all of that to your potential clients, buyers, you know, your prospects for free. And your emails will end up in the primary inbox, which is powerful stuff. And okay, if you're not intrigued yet, then, well, what can I say? I know I was intrigued by this product and I ended up buying it, and I have no regrets. I'm loving it. All right, that's why I recommend it to you. So thumbs up, and yeah, let me think in the comment section as well. Any question, if you have any questions or anything like that, okay, then I'm here for you. Obviously, I'll get back to you once I see your comments and all of that. All right, ciao, love you and leave you. Take care. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye bye.